Hello, guys. Hope you all are well. I'm currently recording some videos for you guys, but I'm just popping in quick, just to address something. It has come to my attention that in my last video, the video with the results of Project Resort Chic and the pattern review for Simplicity 9597, that video, it has come to my attention that the photos at the end of the video were not uploaded, and I am truly sorry for that. I am currently trying to figure out this new video editing software, and I did edit it at the beginning, but somehow doing the uploading or whatever, the saving or whatever, I don't know what happened, but they are no longer there. And by the time I realized that, I had already uploaded the video to YouTube, and um, people were already watching the video. So I decided against re-uploading the video, and I figured I would just put up an additional video with bonus footage of the photos. Yes, so that is what this video is about. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, in episode number 23, I spoke about attending an event where the dress code was all white and Resort Chic, hence the name Project Resort Chic. So I embarked on a journey of selecting fabric, patterns, and all of that. So in episode 24, which was the last, no, not 24, I think it was 25. That was my last video. I came back with the results and also what I've chosen and the pattern review. And that was Simplicity 9597. So check out those two videos of Project Resort Chic. So that's it. And I hope to see you in my other episode. All right. Take care. Bye.